song is in E, and the progression is the scale of E, and the progression is basically the chord progression of the song is 1, 7, 6, 4. But then the notes used in the song was basically the notes I think would fit for that song. The song, it's B, E, F sharp, A flat. So you have, or you could choose B, E, F sharp, then E, then B, B, E, F sharp, then B. So, and the bass you would have, let's focus on the right. So the right goes on B, E, F sharp, and E. Then it goes to B, E flat, F sharp, then E. Then you move to A flat, C sharp, E, then A flat. Then straight up you go, or basically you go to the fourth. That's E, A, B, and E. So you know what you have? You never leave me. You never do. So that's the chorus for the song. And on the left hand, you'd have you will never E to E flat. That's 7 to 6. 3 to 4. Again. 1, 7, which is E flat. 6 C sharp. A flat to A. That's that for the left hand. So in combination you'd have something like you never